Nasekela kumaje, nasekela kunkuni, nasekela. Hi, hello everyone. And so in this video, I will be sharing four websites where you can search for the jobs that you are looking for yourself in the healthy sector. Because sometimes when we wait for somebody else, it can be too late. Sometimes people will give us the opportunity after it is saturated, after our relatives have already applied and arrived in the UK. But if we search it ourselves, we'll be able to catch it from the source and on time. And we'll catch the biggest fish, the one that we have always wanted, the one that we have dreamed about. But also, these websites will prevent you from engaging with the scammers because you are dealing with the organization directly on their website and the application is done on the same website. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Yeah, so the first website is NHS Jobs, nhsjobs.com. This is the website, and if we look at it, it has nhsjobs.com track jobs. So we'll talk about track jobs in a sec, but let's look at the job search itself. So if you're a nurse, you go here. You're a doctor, oh, it says directors, medical and dental, allied health professions, you go here and search here, whatever you are looking for. Okay. I don't want to start to get into searching. Or you're looking for apprenticeships, if they have any for international. So just look at all of these and make sure you find something that talks about sponsorship, because what we are looking for is sponsorship. You can also go through what they are calling recently added jobs or about to close jobs, but I also like using the search engine. So for example, this must have been me trying different things. So for example, if I want to search nursing jobs, but I like to add the word sponsorship so that everything that has sponsorship in it comes up. But in your case, because we want to do a good job and we want to be as thorough, as exhaustive as possible, you just go and click on here and look at all the jobs that have been advertised and move on and move on and move on, and even sign up for alerts if they have sign-ups. But you also need to create account anyway. That's how you'll see a lot of jobs by creating an account. Okay, you'll see everything that is going on because it's like you are inside of where. Okay, so let's search next sponsorship and see what's coming up. A lot of things have come up: registered nurse, senior research nurse in sexual health, HIV and infectious diseases, salary 48,000, clinical nurse allied. So your job is to open each of them and look if it does mention about visas and sponsorships. What do we offer? What are they saying? Okay, yeah, visa is mentioned here. This role meets the eligibility requirement for a skilled worker certificate of sponsorship under UK visa and immigration legislation. And therefore, UCL welcomes applications from international applicants who require a visa. Okay, so this is just one example we've just searched. And if you are a senior research nurse in sexual health, HIV and infectious diseases. This is an opportunity, and the salary is quite huge. Oh, the closing date is not far, 27th. So yeah, I'll put the link in the chat, in the description below, of the jobs that will come across by accident as we are exploring the search functionalities of different websites that we are looking at today. So once you found that job, you would click apply, but you do need to read everything. If it has should have a job description somewhere. No, it doesn't have. Wow. So yeah, let's see. Apply now. Okay, so you will need to apply on the UCL website directory, which is here. At least it was advertised there, and you follow their application thing. Available documents. So there's this document for you to read before you apply. Okay. And closing date is very near, 27th of April. Okay. Let's check another job on that stage. Who is this student district nurse? I just want to see if there is a sponsorship, because that's our priority, our first criteria. I don't seem to see, maybe because I'm rushing. Because otherwise, why was it picked when I researched this special sponsorship? Okay, that's fine. So yeah, much as we are using the search engine specialist community public health nurse, much as we are using some words to filter out other opportunities, in your case, I guess you might as well just look at all the jobs that are being advertised and find out which ones you meet the criteria, and yeah, make an application. Okay. So yeah, this is one of the search engine. So I guess what I'm talking about is, instead of putting in the search here, you go flat out nurse and you search here. Nursing assistant, for example, or whatever you are looking for, or registered nurse or whatever. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this was the UCL job. Website number 2, healthjobsuk.com. It says here your independent UK health jobs site. Okay, it also ends with a track.jobs, just the same as the first one that we looked at. It also has different compartments here, where you can search, and search, depending on your own, excuse me, criteria. Midwife Band 5 International. I don't know what that is, but we're not gonna spend the time. Once you find a job, or even before you find the job, make sure you create an account. My account, sign in or create account, the cookies, make sure you get them out of the way so you can see the page. Yeah, create account. On welcome to track. So that's track.jobs that we're talking about. All these three websites are hosted on track.jobs. This is where you make your applications. So it takes you automatically. Website number 3, nursingnetuk.com. Okay. And so they're saying the home of UK nursing jobs. Okay. Let's see if we can see just the word sponsorship, although sponsorship is not a job. Sponsorship. Things have come up. Registered nurse, student nurse, healthcare assistant, band 2, band 2, band 2, band 5. Maybe this one, band 3. Let's see if it talks about sponsorship in a positive way. What does it say? Okay. Applications from qualified job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications, subject to you meeting minimum criteria of the role and salary threshold. Please visit .gov.uk. So we know salary is £10.10. £10.10p. So we might need to do some calculations here with the 37 hours per week and 10. Yeah, but also you need to I would just apply because it says it meets application from qualified job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the I will welcome. They will be considered alongside. So whenever it reaches the wall, it's fine, but at least you have tried. But I'm sure a salary of 23,000 for HCAs, it looks like it's within, but I'm not sure. So yeah, it talks about a late make. So all of these have come up under the word sponsorship, but I don't think that everything means they are supporting. But yeah, you can always check every advert and see. Okay. And so yeah, this is what the third website. The last and final website we are looking at is agency ID Medical. So all these jobs that we are talking about, some of them you will find they say we use ID Medical. This is the agency that helps to recruit international doctors and nurses for NHS, like it says on here, all these statistics around international placement opportunities, overseas doctors, nurses, and moving to the UK. Find out more here. International recruitment, and it will ask you to register now. If you are a doctor, register here. If you are a nurse, register here. What does it say? We offer a free service that supports, it says free, right? So this is why I said run away from scammers and and also money. Let's see what it says on jobs. Take a look at some of our live roles. Check out the latest jobs. We'll just go here. view all jobs, and then you can scroll through and make sure you load more. So there'll be a lot of jobs, load more. But I'm sure there's also a search button, search functionality. Yes, here. Let's see. I always use nurses. Locations, it doesn't matter as long as it's UK. Yes, so they have all of this. Band 5 general nurse, midwives, intensive therapy, So just load more. So whatever and these are recent jobs added on 11th of April, less than a week ago. Yeah, so this is it, guys, and let me stop share for a minute so you can see my face. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed looking at the job boards. So the job boards themselves will not be shared in the description, but the jobs that we came across and they have sponsorship, they'll be in the description. Just check them now. If you want to go back again to the search to the website, the job boards, then just go over the video and write them down for yourself. They're short websites, so it should be easier to just type it in your Google. Okay, enjoy, and don't forget, subscribe and watch my videos.